So, let's see here. So the guys, earlier today, were putting selenium on the bamboo. It keeps the termites off of it. How's it going? What are you taking so long for? Why are you taking so long?
Yeah. I'm finished sanding. I'm painting.
You're sanding?
Yeah. No?
Not yet?
Yeah. Skin coat first.
Still skin coating?
Yeah, but skin coat.
Yeah.
And sanding.
Hello?
Sanding is absent.
Yeah, I'm gonna kill him.
Because
Yeah. I know, he's got things to do. But I need this thing finished, this wall finished.
yeah, finish first. Okay. Finish. Do that first. This
Yeah.
one, and transfer.
We gotta get this completely finished before we move on.
Yeah.
This has to be completely done.
Not good for transfer. Is not finished.
Yeah, of course. Thank you, Foreman. Thank you for your wise wisdom. These plants are getting so big.
Yeah.
Look at these
Sunflower.
sunflowers. Wow. It's really healthy. So the guys have been, so the bamboo's gonna go here, but this was my idea to use this. These were leftovers from the construction. We never used them. They're solid PVC, but they're not as strong. They have a little bit of wiggle room where the steel doesn't. So I don't know. We might end up having to replace these. We'll see. Once we put the bamboo up, see how it has flexibility. But it's strong. I mean, you can't break it, but it moves. What do you think? Is this going to work? This plastic?
Yeah.
It's going to be okay? It moves, but it's still strong, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, you can't.
Not.
You think it'll work?
Yeah.
The other side will use the steel, right?
Yeah, still.
Yeah.
This one. Because the wood is very...
When are we going fishing? We have to use the boat.
Yeah, yeah.
No, but we haven't used the boat in a long time.
I will, yes.
Yeah.
The procureur transfer this one.
Okay. Where do we fix the other one?
In Gindulman, 80 pesos a blue.
Where?
In Gindulman, too big.
At the machine shop?
Machine shop.
Oh, okay.
80 pesos per.
Okay.
I will.
So take that off so we can go bring it.
Yeah, yeah.
It's not good to only have one on the boat. You should have two.
Two.
So.
She said Roger me and 12 bull. Like Roger's.
Roger's a good guy. He's always helping us. So this is the skim coat. I gotta cut the grass again over here. I was wondering where this thing was. Yeah. For the chickens tomorrow when we go to Gindleman. Sealy Enterprises. Oh, that's rock. That's for the construction they're doing down the road. It's the gravel. I've already shown you guys these. I'm hoping these trees will look good once the fence is up. These have to be removed I have to put them along the fence here. Jaguar, what are you doing? Hey, Jaguar. That's Emar's dog. Hi, boy. Hi, good boy. Yes, my buddy. Yes, my buddy. Yes, he's so good. I miss you too, buddy. I know, huh? He really got attached to us when we lived next door at Emar's house. They made a mess of my nice wall. So it's like the outside's gonna be a whole other. Hi guys. The outside's gonna be a whole nother project. So you can see this side don't have any skim coat on it. Oh, what's he doing? What are you doing? Crazy dog? Get away! After you've been in the bushes, not gonna rub up against me. No way. He put a wire. Is that wire? What is that?
Steel.
It's steel?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. That'll keep it from falling?
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Because if not there, this is doing it.
It's my nose. My wire is on there. It's my light. All those rocks up there, we can fill this in over here. All that stuff up there. Yeah. Yeah. All those rocks and stuff. We can use it to level all this. You know.
You cut this one?
What? Yeah, you got to cut those ones. Yes. That and that one. The rest of them, don't cut the rest of them down. I want to see how it looks.
Because the chicken is bigger and I got transfer ready.
The birds?
The small birds.
The-
Transfer in
The chicks are ready.
I can go the meat first.
You should jackhammer the holes
Yeah.
for the steel. Nice day, huh? It's a nice day.
Yeah.
Not too hot.
That's what.
And then March it's hot, right? April, so hot.
Today we'll go to disco in Ipo. Sa Gindulman.
You were fresh? You were a bad boy? You went with him?
Yeah.
Oh my God, is he married?
Yeah.
He's married?
Yeah.
Are you making him go to disco? Oh my God.
A lot of girls. And gay.
Oh, and gay too?
And I will go to my friends to eat meat from Ipo. Pig. Cow.
Uh,
I'm drinking tobacco and horse. My friends were working in the Aberdeen from Gindulman, and his wife is from Ipo. Brother, no water. There's no water in this.
Who has no water? Imard?
Roger's house.
Roger has no water?
Yeah.
How about us? We have water?
Yes, very slowly.
Huh? It's coming in slowly? Hey! How's the fishing? What does that mean? No fish?
No water.
He has no water, huh? How about Imard? Nini told Lynn that they have no water for 8 days.
Yeah.
But how come we have water? My tank is full.
Full.
Right?
Yeah.
That's because our water line goes to the main street.
No.
We don't-
All Main Street, but the problem is
But we don't share a water line with other people.
because the water line is very old.
Oh.
Maybe a lot of dirty of the water pump. But he cannot push the water. The CO is new,
Ah,
but they have water. Like Artudin, no water.
no water.
Look at the water, so very a lot of dirty.
Lot of sand.
Yeah, sand.
I get it. That's why I have to have the plumber come every week
Yeah.
to clean out the drain, clean out the faucet, so the water don't come out of the faucet. Because it's all sand.
Sand.
That's why I have to get filters. I'm getting water filters put in. Did you check the tank to see how much water is in there?
Yeah, I would say
How much is in there? It's almost full,
not full.
but pretty close. Three quarters full.
Yeah.
Wow, that's good.
And if I have morning I have water, I will take the flowers because a lot of water.
Going in.
Yeah.
Hmm.
The water is full, a lot of water.
So we have a guest on the 25th until the 31st. So you have to check the water every day.
Yeah.
Because if we have to order water, we have to do it at night, right?
I will check it first. I will water it up.
So you check it, always check it in the morning,
Yeah.
right? And then
I will water it up.
and then if it's low, then you order the water so they come at night and fill it up. Hopefully it'll look nice once it's painted. I'm hoping. Beautiful, beautiful afternoon, my God. So nice. I have to go to Makinano now and pay our bill, our hardware bill, construction bill. It's been like 3 months since we paid it. They never ask us, but it's the first of the year, so they have to do inventory, so they need to clear all their books. So it's a lot. It's a lot because it includes all these hollow blocks, all the cement, all the back fence, all the cement there, rebar, the metal that goes with it. It's a lot. All the sand, the rocks, the gravel. So we do have a pretty big bill. I told Lynn no more credit with Makinano. We have to pay everything as we go from now on because that's it. I don't want to have these big bills. Whatever little income we have coming from the property, we use that money to buy our supplies, and if we don't have the money, then no supplies. But all that's left to do is that fence, and then we gotta really try to start working on this pool. This place is just not gonna be complete without a pool. I gotta get epoxy paint for these floors. My ultimate idea and goal is to have a pool here that connects the two villas, and then a walkway, and then kind of like a wall that has some privacy, maybe some bamboo that grows up over here, so it's kind of private. So I can advertise private pool villa, so the people can have this villa, and then you have a walkway here, and then you have a pool that goes all the way this way. There'll be cement tiles on both sides of the pool. The cement will wrap around this garden, and then the cement will come here, so the pool will be here and here. Then on this side will be all deck. It'll be like I'd like to have a wooden deck, but I don't know. It'll be all deck, and then either here at the end or over to the side there's going to be an outdoor kitchen, so people can cook. But when I mean an outdoor kitchen, there's going to be two parts of the outdoor kitchen. There's going to be a burners. There's also going to be a place to light a fire, to have a dirty side of the kitchen. There'll be a bathroom out there, and a nice set of tables to eat under. It'll look really nice. And that's it. These ladies will follow me around if they want me to feed them. Because I always give them the leftover rice. My little girls. Huh? Hi, pretty girls. What are you doing? This mama bird has 2 babies. The rest are in the box with the other birds, so they don't get snatched up by the neighbors. We got to get in here with the weed whacker, cut all this down. So everything's going according to plan. I gotta go get money from Lynn so I can pay the bill. Anyways, the sun's gonna be setting right over there, right in front of the kitchen. It's beautiful. I love having the birds because they really do eat a lot of the bugs. So I just want to thank everybody for subscribing to our channel. See you soon. I think Lynn's over here. I just saw the baby. So thanks guys. See you in the next video.